So do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Dan, I'm a Youth Engagement Officer based in Ferndale School, the best school.
What inspires you to become a youth worker?
So, once upon a time, a long time ago, I used to attend the youth club myself, and like during that time, I suppose I had struggles and difficulties like everyone does, and I had an amazing youth worker that changed my life. So I always wanted to do to others what she done to me.
What advice would you give someone if they wanted to become a youth worker?
I think the only bit of advice I would give is you need to be passionate and you need to care. As long as you're passionate and you really do care, I think you could be an excellent youth worker.
Is there anything you would change about your job?
I think the only thing I'd change with my job is I would like to offer it on more nights. I'd love to see youth club every single night of the week.
Yeah.
Same.
I agree. Thank you.
Thank you for
Yeah,
listening.
thank you.
So how did youth start? Who made it all?
So how did youth start?
Yeah.
This youth or any years?
Just
This year.
yeah.
Any years. So I don't know about this youth in particular, but a lot of youth clubs started after the World War. So after the World War ended, there was loads of young men who'd left the army, which didn't have jobs, and they was hanging around the streets. So youth clubs was invented. They were called boys clubs back in those days, in order to give young men an opportunity, something positive to engage in, and allow them to develop skills and opportunities to get back into work. So that's the origins of youth work. Obviously, it's changed a lot over the years, and it's had ups and downs. But yeah, that's the origins.
Oh.
Interesting.